It is cold. Hey, welcome to my channel, Southern Boys Ride, where we talk everything motorcycles, motorcycle life, motorcycle culture. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Now let's ride. Good. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just doing a recap, and dadgummit, squirrels are all in my tree, just knocking down snow everywhere. But this is the next morning. I'm out here at my front gate getting ready to go out. We're not driving anywhere today because we can't get out, but this is how it looks. I think we had one vehicle so far that went by, and I think it was a snowplow. I'm not sure, but you can see the trees. And let's open up the gate and check out here at the road. I'm gonna show you guys the reason why they say do not get on the road right now. See if I can get you guys in real close. The road is solid ice. Nothing but solid ice. Normally, on a good day, this road that I live on is a main road, and you'd have cars coming through just repeatedly. Nothing today. I think these tracks are maybe from yesterday. Just look at there. Very dangerous to be out today in this. And look at there, you can see some deer tracks. I know you guys can hear that crunching. That is crazy. Pretty wild. This is really something different for Southeast Alabama because, like I said, we don't get any snow down here. Well, we do get snow, but not in this part and not this bad. We normally get a dusting, maybe half inch or an inch, and it's gone within hours. But this is different. Very different. And if I'm not mistaken, I hear a car coming. Lord hope he's going to be safe trying to get up that hill. Look at this. Be right back, guys. More deer tracks. Well, I guess he has somewhere to go. There's nothing's open, so Know what he's out for. See right here, the ice is starting to melt here. It's turning to black ice. It is cold. I didn't put any gloves on. Keep my hand in my pocket. To build a snowman. You know what? I'm gonna let her build it too. I don't know, I may help. It's cold, guys. And if y'all think I'm cranking my motorcycle up and getting on this, you're out of your mind. I would wreck that bike coming out the driveway. This stuff is terrible. Terrible. You enjoyed it. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification for more Southern Boys Ride video. See you next time.